Okay, guys. So one of my subscribers, sorry guys, I got the brain injury and I forget who it was, but he suggested I do a review of this Black & Decker RTX 3-speed performance rotary tool, okay? He told me that the Dremel flex shaft does hook up to it, and yes, I've already tried it. It does hook up. This is a 2 amp. I think I bought this off Amazon. I think it was 80 bucks, 70 or 80 bucks, okay? This is a 2 amp, 3-speed, okay? The Dremel 4300 is a 1.8 amp, I believe, if my eyes said correctly, okay? So, what we're going to do today is just a little review on this, this thing here, this rotary tool, okay? So it should be a power horse if it's 2 amps. It's fairly small unit. Here's the 4300, Dremel 4300 compared to this. So what we're going to do today, oh yeah, okay, well I guess I should just show you guys everything here. There's the box it came with, okay, there's a box with stickers or whatever stuff in it. It came with these 2 wood clamps. Okay, wood clamps, good to have, guys. Especially to girls that want to clamp their pieces to something so they can hold their flex shaft or Dremel with 2 hands. These things are really great. So you get those included. You get a bunch of little zip cut discs and some sanders in the box. Okay, so to make the Dremel flex shaft fit on there, okay, so you're going to have to unscrew this thing. Oh, and I'll show you guys another good thing I like about this tool too that I've already checked. This is your locking pin here. See that? It's okay. Let's see here. Let's lock it. It's right now it's locked, so you can't turn it on when this thing is locked. Okay. So now it's unlocked. Now you can turn it on, but when it's locked, you can't turn it on. Okay. So let's pull this piece off here. This has your 1/8 chuck inside for your normal Dremel pieces. So you need to have one of these square chucks to fit the end of your Dremel flex shaft, okay? And you get these square chucks when you buy a Dremel flex shaft. It comes in the kit, okay? Because this is a little square drive inner shaft. This thing in the middle there, that's square drive. Well, this is square drive too, okay? And this fits on here. So like I said, when you buy a new Dremel flex shaft, this piece will come with it. So we'll do that up. And what we're going to do today is I'm just going to carve a little, I got this piece of driftwood from the beach a couple weeks ago. I'm going to carve a quick little wood spear to see the power. And you guys, I hope you can trust my opinion, because it's not going to be a full video of me doing the carving. I'll carve it. And I'll carve it and let you guys know my opinion. But it's such a fresh, this thing's so fresh, you know, to get by heavy hands, I'm gonna have to use it for a couple weeks if it lasts that long. Then that's my true opinion, right? But we'll just give it an opinion off the fresh start, the power, and how it seems to work. Okay, so let me get this hooked up. Okay, guys, so I got it plugged in and I use my foot pedals, guys. Remember that. Like I don't know if I have a video on my, oops, wrong foot pedal. So anyways, when you have these, I don't think they suggest to have these hooked up to foot pedals because they're multi-speed controls, right? Because there's a speed control in here. So if you're hooked up to the foot pedal, it interferes with this speed control. So my suggestion to you, and this comes from my buddy Pete that's good at this kind of stuff, is just leave it on high and control the speed with your pedal, okay? So this thing, I got it hooked up to my pedal. It is a little bit loud. Not much louder, but it is a little bit louder than the Dremel. Okay, so let me get it hung up here. And this also has the hanger to hang your tools, guys. To hang your Dremels. So let me get, okay, another thing too. for all the new subs or new people, this is the Kutzall bits I use. Look at the description below. It will take you to the Kutzall site. Use the code CFusion to save yourself 5%. It's better than nothing. This is my go-to burr. This 1/8 burr that fits in your Dremel lasts me the longest. This is the Kutzall Extreme Flame Burr. Okay, so let me get this set up in here, and then we'll carve this wood spirit quick. So let's give this thing a couple quick passes. Okay, it seems to be running pretty good. It seems like it has like good torque. The speeds, the noises kind of come down a little bit. So let me finish off this wood spirit, and I'll tell you my true opinion of what I can for now for this, what is it called again? The RTX. It's 80 bucks, guys, so it's affordable. But don't forget you have to buy one of these flex shafts too, and these are 35 bucks. So sometimes you can get these flex shafts in the kits with the Dremel for like around 110 bucks for like a 3000 or something like that. Don't hold me to that, but you know what I mean. So 80 bucks is a fair price, but you can get a Dremel, I think a Dremel 3000 or 4000 for around 110, 120 bucks. So is it worth saving a few bucks to buy this Black & Decker tool? I guess that true answer is time will tell, but let me finish this, okay? So I got this guy carved out. This is real soft cottonwood bark, guys. Got him carved out pretty quick. So yeah, this thing does have quite a bit of torque, okay? For sure has quite a bit of torque. It's just making that noise because the flex shaft's not hanging there straight. So, when I was carving this, I was wondering, does anybody know? I just did some quick research, but my mind wanders, so I don't see a thing for the brushes to change here. Like Dremel has these things to change your brushes. See those screws there on both sides? 2 brushes. One on this side too. I can't see anything. So maybe this is brushless tool. If this is a brushless tool, that's a bonus for sure too. So it's supposed to have 30,000 RPMs at high speed, 12,000 at low speed. I kind of find it hard to believe it is 30,000, but this thing it cuts fast. And I looked on Amazon too. I wasn't logged into my Amazon. I looked on Amazon and it came up as 41 bucks. So that's an American price, I guess. I take it. Excuse me. So yeah, I would suggest this tool for right now, but let heavy hands have a couple weeks with this tool and we'll see how well it works. I'll be using this in my next video, all my next videos, guys. Okay, so that's that. And also, so might as well keep this going here. I'm going to be doing another review in another video, but since I got this wood spirit carved quickly here, since I've been trying to contemplate about wood burners and stuff like that and all that other stuff, like, because, you know, if you want to upgrade your carvings, you should have a wood burner, guys. So I bought the pencil wood burners. I tried Pete's old wood burner. I asked him to sell it to me. He wouldn't sell it to me, and I knew he wouldn't, of course. The thing's an antique, and it's cool. So I bought this off eBay, off Amazon for, I think it was 60 bucks. Okay? So the next video, I'm going to be, what's it called? It's called a whole life. I'm going to be trying this out, just quickly burning. This thing does heat up pretty hot, but that will be my next video, guys. So we'll talk to you then.